We're here to show you how to use the all-surface cleaner for doing carpet cleaning. As you can see, this place has a few spots in traffic areas. We're going to just use this room as a demo to show you how it works. I'm going to go outside and show you how to start it up. Oh good, Alfredo's here. Alfredo, can you show us how to fire this up?
Sure. Alright. So before you start up the engine, make sure your hand's on the trigger, press it. Then you come over here. You have the throttle up halfway. Turn the choke on, which is to the left, and have the gas line on, which is open. Go ahead and start the engine. Align it with the valve to open up the pump out. So vacuum 1, vacuum 2, and press the pump out.
Alright, so we're going to go inside, but I want to just show you here, I want to adjust my pressure to 500 psi. So I go here, and I turn it, 500 psi, I'm ready to go. So basically you want to saturate it, don't oversaturate it. If you oversaturate it, then the spots and stains will actually go inside and wick back up. So it just has to be the right amount. Alright, so here's time for extraction. We just give it a little bit of dwell time, not a lot. And if you don't have enough dwell time, then you can just start in a cleaner area. But I'm just going to show you this section and how the cleaning goes. Takes about a minute or so. The water gets super hot, so you can probably start noticing how hot it is getting now. And basically the hotter it is, the better the cleaning in this case. It will make the carpet more fluffy and it'll just have a better clean. You can actually hear that popping noise, which is steam. If you have any dirty areas where you need to go over, you can scrub it. So if there's some spots that you need to get out like that and you have trouble getting them out, and in this case if you think they're oil based, what you can do is get Citra-Pure gel and you can put it on there and then just agitate a little, don't use your finger like me, but agitate it a little bit and then come back. So once you're done cleaning, you're ready to turn it off.
So what we're going to do, turn the throttle down all the way. We're going to turn it off right there. Alright, we're going to the vacuum. Align it, turn it sideways, just to shut off the pump out, so that way you won't leak because of gravity.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.